This is the factor theorem. We have to solve x cubed plus 4x squared minus 7x minus 10 equals 0. To do that, we have to just try some values. Normally it'll be 1 or minus 1, but the trick is, if you look at this number here, it'll be one of the factors of this. So it could be 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2, 5 or minus 5. Obviously you're going to try 1. So we've got the px equals x cubed plus 4x squared minus 7x minus 10. P1 equals 1 cubed 1. That's going to give me 4. It's going to be minus 7 minus 10. And obviously that's not going to work, is it? So we'll just try the negative 1. That's going to give me minus 1. It's going to give me plus 4. This one's going to give me plus 7. And it's going to give me minus 10. So minus 10 and minus 11. And 4 and 7, 11. So that was the one. It was that one there. Okay, so we know that the 0, or the root is minus 1. Therefore the factor, so if x equals minus 1, that gives me the factor is x plus 1. So what we have to do, we have to actually divide x plus 1 into this one to work out what the other roots are. Okay, so we'll do this over here. So I've got x plus 1 into x cubed plus 4x squared minus 7x minus 10. Okay, so we need to make this an x cubed underneath, so I'll multiply this one by x squared. So it gives me the x cubed. That times that gives me x squared. Subtract it, I'm going to get 3x squared. So we need to make this a 3x squared, so we'll multiply it by 3x. 3x times x is 3x squared. So I'll bring these other guys down as well, makes it a bit easier to read. And that'll just give me 3x. So when we subtract those, we're going to get minus 10x. Just be careful with the subtraction, because sometimes you mark it up. Bring that down, minus 10, and now it's obvious this is going to be minus 10. So it's minus 10x minus 10. They go out, no remainder. That's a factor which we use that anyhow. So therefore, the polynomial is x plus 1 times x squared plus 3x minus 10. We need to factorize this. That's going to give me x plus 5 and x minus 2. 5x minus 2x, 3x minus 10. Just check that to make sure you don't get the signs back around the wrong way. So the solution is x equals 0, x equals negative 1, x equals negative 5, and x equals positive 2 are the solutions to this cubic equation. It's done. Right, in this one we have to, if ax is a factor of px, we have to find a in this one here, when ax equals x minus 4 and px equals this polynomial. Now, we know from this, if ax is a factor, then we know that x equals 4 is a root. So we can put 4 in there. And we get that this is 4 cubed there, plus 2 times 4 squared, plus 4 times a minus 20. And we know that that must be equal to 0. Alright, so this becomes 4 cubed. It's going to give me 64. Plus here, that's 16, that's 32. Plus 4a minus 20 equals 0. That's going to be 96, 76, so 4a plus 76 equals 0. 4a equals minus 76. A is equal to 4, and that goes 19, isn't it? Minus 19 is your final answer. It's done.